Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about a free training and paid training. Okay, all of us when we begin trading like beginners, we like free things. We go online on YouTube and we search hundreds or thousands of YouTubers and those who upload videos on those who are trainers, and we try to understand trading. But the problem is when something touches the money, okay, when you want to learn a skill to make money, you should pay. This is a general rule. Okay, you, for example, you get your high school diploma and you want to go to college or to university, you pay too much money. Okay, now I know that you don't have money, but you have a big loan on your shoulder, and then you go to be, for example, an engineer or a doctor or whatever. But paying the money, it doesn't mean that you will succeed in becoming a doctor and then to have a license to be a doctor and to make money and to give back money to the loan. It means to pay your loan with interest and then to make money later. See how long is this thing? Now in trading, it is the same thing. Although it is little money compared to the other college or university thing, and that's why free information and free training you will find a lot online. Now, my opinion, because I was a beginner before, I searched thousands of videos. I have read hundreds of books. I have seen webinars, but all they speak about the same thing. Now I will explain in order to get an idea, because I was a beginner and then I become professional. You understand the shift. Now everywhere where you go, you find a chart that it is stuck with indicators. Okay, that's why indicators, if indicator was good, you can find only one and the people buy this indicator to study, and then they become professional trader. That's it. But because these indicators are useless, each year in the stock market, Wall Street create a new indicator and sell it in books, and you see bestsellers of this strategy or this that it is an indicator. You just buy it. You just go to the website, you buy it. Even those strategies are made into a software right now, trading software, and they are selling. They say I don't say I have been scammed or something, but I didn't do before. It's just, this is a true story. Now I find in Craigslist someone offered a trading software, and I get interested. You know, I'm beginner, I don't know how to trade, I lost money. So I say, what if I use this software and I can make money? Now I go to the guy. We met in a cafe, and then he brought the computer, you know, it's a laptop, and then he showed me the software. Okay, and I told him, how does this software? Now he said that the software works by itself. You give it money into the account and this software works by itself. I say, man, how can this work by itself? How can this software knows what to enter, where to buy, where to sell, where stop loss? I don't know those things. I say, no, you just make it work and that's it. I say, he told me in 15 minutes you can have $500. You know, I say 15 minutes you can $500, and how much you rent it? He told me the rent is $350 a month. I say, it's just an idea that comes, you know. I told him, if your software can make $500 in 15 minutes, why you are renting to me for $350? You can make 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 from the market. Why you are so generous with me? No, he told me that it is a software that we made and we help all the other traders. And I understand that this software is just a strategy. It can work a little bit, but it can lose a lot of money and it can wipe your account. And I say to him, thank you very much. I'm not interested. I want to learn trading stocks. I don't want something like a machine that works for me. Okay, if a machine works, we will have no Wall Street here. Okay, everything is done. Now here I want just to make you understand. Right now, if you are a trader and you have an account, a broker account, your broker will give you free webinar. He will teach you everything you want. He will teach you stocks, he will teach you futures, forex, options, anything that you want. And he will listen to your questions and he will answer live to your questions. So why you go to a paid information? Now I will tell you the secret behind this. Because most of the people who try a free webinars, a free brokers thing or free thing, it doesn't work because they use the same thing, which is indicators. Because indicators, you can go to any website or you go to any YouTube channel and you can find how to use an indicator. One or two, there are more than 300 indicators. Okay? That's why it's not valid. You can't make money from this kind of training. That's why people who are serious, they can take a training, a paid training. Because the paid training, people who are doing this are professional traders and they are in the market. Okay, they know what they are doing. Now some of them, they still use indicators something, but not that much as the webinars and free training. Okay, and people who still search for free training, it will take them longer years in order to understand these things. They can understand it in the first month or 2 or 3. They will stay years, do what we call hit and miss until he discovers something. Some, they will stay 5 years, 10 years, and they will never understood anything because they get trapped into indicators and moving averages. They think that those give them the best results, but they are just what we call lagging prices. They mix all the prices and they give you an entry or an exit. Okay, and it doesn't work that much in the volatile markets, because volatile markets, stock is going up good, others is going down, other is doing trading into a range. So the market is so volatile, and it's not, you should have many strategies to work this market. Stocks that they go down and they stop and they begin to go up, how to buy from, like my training number 12, how to buy from support line. Okay, there are some stocks, for example, you can use this like gold and silver and energy stocks. A lot of them, they stop and they begin to go up. So those people, they can buy from what you call support line. Others that are going up and they are making new highs, this is how to search for stocks using stock screener or using industries like my training levels, level 2 and level 3. Okay, so the difference between free and paid information is the difference between the true trading, the real trading, and virtual trading. Okay, you can use free information to train yourself, and you see if there is any results that you can get. Because when you use the indicator, you can't understand all why it chooses that price and doesn't choose that price. But when you use my simple ways of doing business, just using lines, you will understand it's very easy to spot where you enter and when you exit. because these are skills that you can learn. Okay, so this is just a general idea. No, for me, in my channel, I offer both. I offer free information, but this free information, it is part of my strategy. It's like 10% of my strategies that I'm using. So this is a fact. This is a true thing related to the real market. I'm not doing indicators or moving averages in my chart. That's why if you see my charts, that videos I do when we have a chart, you see the chart which is clean. Okay, clean. There is nothing except for the volume that I don't use, but I use it just to see the bid and the ask information. Okay, so you see the chart which is so clean. Now this is the difference between free and paid information, like in training. If you are just wanting just general knowledge about stocks, about investing, you can have this general information, like general information, like entertainment information. But when you are serious to make money and to do a business, it's better to use a paid training. Now my paid training is the simplest and the easiest way to do. You can just begin with my subscription, how to search for stocks and how to select them. You try it for 1 month. If it's good, you continue. If it's not good, you go and find other trainer or other coach, or you still stay with the free free training. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.